A tracking link is generated inside of your Everflow instance that, when clicked or tapped by a user, will start tracking their activity for a period of time. In this video, we will go over how to generate tracking links. There are 3 places that you can obtain tracking links: the offer page, the partner page, and the tracking link generator. Let's start with the tracking link generator. The tracking link generator is conveniently located on your left-hand menu, which is accessible by clicking the hamburger icon. First, you must select an offer and a partner that the tracking link is for. Selecting an offer presents an option to create a creative-specific tracking link if one is available. If the offer is direct linking enabled, you will be able to choose between a direct link or a traditional redirect link. Selecting a partner presents an option to append traffic source, which is a set of predefined parameters for tracking links. Note, if a partner has an assigned traffic source, it will be automatically selected and cannot be changed. Additional parameters can easily be added by unfolding this option at the very bottom. Everflow supported parameters such as source ID, sub1, will be presented with an option to input the macro or static value that you wish to pass for these parameters. For example, you can add sub5 equals Everflow test if you wish to send this value in a click to indicate that this is for a test. Lastly, you have the option to encrypt parameters. This allows any additional parameters to be encrypted so they cannot be altered. Now that our tracking link is complete, we have 3 options to export: copy to clipboard, view QR code, or share with offer details. The copy to clipboard button will simply copy the displayed link. View QR code will present a QR code for the generated link. And the share button will show the offer details, including the tracking link we just generated, so that they can be copied and shared. You can share the tracking links with your prospective partners using any of these options. As mentioned at the beginning of this video, you can also generate tracking links on the offer and partner pages. Let's explore these options. First, navigate to Offers and Manage, and then select the offer you wish to generate a tracking link for. On the top right corner is the Offer Tracking Links button. Clicking this button, you will notice that we have a few more options here than we saw in the tracking link generator. We will review them together. Now there is an option to create a click tracking link and impression tracking link by selecting Type. Note, impression tracking will need to be turned on by our customer success team for you to generate an impression tracking link. When enabled, you will be able to export the impression tracking link in URL, HTML pixel, or JavaScript format. Creating a click tracking link from the offer page also provides some additional options. At the bottom right corner, there are 3 new buttons: Generate All Links, Generate Link to All QR Codes, and Advertiser Test Link. Generate All Links populates offer tracking links for all partners approved on the offer you chose. The list can be exported in CSV or JSON format. Generate Link to All QR Codes will generate a zip file for all partners' QR codes, which will be sent to you by email. You can also create an advertiser test link. This link bypasses all targeting set on the offer and should only be used for testing purposes. Finally, to generate a tracking link from the partners page is similar to what we just covered in the offer page. Navigate to Partners, Manage, and select a partner you wish to generate a partner tracking link for. The Partner Tracking Links button on the top right corner will allow you to generate a click or impression tracking link for the offer of your choice. Partner tracking links for multiple offers can be generated under the Visibility tab. Clicking on the Available filter on the top left will populate the Generate All Tracking Links option on the right. You can also select the offers that you wish to generate tracking links for instead of all available offers. The generated tracking links can be exported in CSV or a JSON format. You can now generate tracking links from 3 different places utilizing various options within your Everflow instance.